what's up guys, this is Ash with the Case Theory. Today we're taking a look at a few cases from Casetify's protective series and show you guys how they look like in some of the new pure colors that we have today. Before we begin, we would like to thank Casetify for sending us these review units and making the video possible. Now with that being said, this is not a paid review, so they'll be seeing this video for the first time right alongside you. Meanwhile, do subscribe to us right away if you wish to get the latest updates on our videos and giveaways. As a quick introduction to Casetify, they're basically a platform that encourages creativity and self-expression through their customizable cases. What makes them truly stand out would be their fresh ideas and creative designs that appeals to all. As case reviewers, we constantly find the need to switch cases from time to time to test them out before reviewing them. The protective series from Casetify are definitely one of the brands that sticks on our iPhone on those days we could use anything on. For us, this is mainly due to the trusted protective features and amazing vibrant colors. Speaking of colors, Casetify has recently launched an array of amazing color options that's available for the protective series. This means your phone could have even more protection without sacrificing your style. Let's go right ahead to unboxing and take a look at them. Do not let the striking bold maroon color fool you. The packages that we have before us today are made from 100% recyclable material as part of Casetify's efforts towards lowering their carbon impact. As pleased as we are about having a well-known brand that cares for the planet, we're equally amazed at how they managed to keep their stylish overall appearance. What keeps the package secured is a white paper sash that reads, "Go away 2020," and if you turn it the other way around, it reads, "Come in 2021." That's definitely an A for creativity. Once you open the box, you'll immediately find a case with some cards underneath it. What you get is a note from Casetify which tells you to stay safe, and they actually included sanitizing wipes together in the package as a gesture to show they care. There is also an installation and removal guide for those who are new to Casetify cases. And lastly, you also get another note that welcomes you to the Casetify community. Overall, the unboxing experience felt really simple but warm at the same time because of the personal touches. The protective cases that we have here today comes in a variety of colors that has been recently added by Casetify. Over here we have two that comes in matte, one being white sand for iPhone 12 Impact case and the other is matte sky for iPhone 12 Pro Max Ultra Impact case. If you're the kind that appreciates the non-glossy appearance and matte texture all around the case, then this one is definitely suitable for you. On the other hand, there are also sheer cases available for those who prefers the glossy touch. Over here, we have the sheer red for iPhone 12 Impact case and Pacific blue for iPhone 12 Pro Max Ultra Impact 1. For the sheer versions, you could actually see through the cool Chi-Tech material surrounding the entire circumference of the case. Finally, we have the clear off-white case for iPhone 12 Impact case. The clear cases comes with a transparent back and opaque but glossy colored sides. To see more of the color options available, you could just visit Casetify's website and select under Casetify's Pure Colors collection. Be sure to also select Impact and Ultra Impact under case type if you're only interested to get the protective series. As the cases are also made of 50% recycled plastic material as well, there is a small non-obtrusive statement that says, "I'm made of 50% recycled material" on the side. Other than that, there is no other obvious branding on the cases. For those who finds the need to personalize the case, you could add your unique touch with a monogram to make it your own. You could choose from 6 different kinds of layouts and 5 types of fonts up to a maximum of 8 characters. You could also play around with the text colors to see which goes best with the case color chosen. In our previous video on Casetify, we did a comprehensive review on the Impact case. For this video, we'll be sharing more about the Ultra Impact version that is 9.8 feet drop tested and is claimed to be Casetify's slimmest and most protective iPhone case at only 13 mm thin. Despite having the reputation for being able to withstand drops of up to almost 3 times the military-grade drop protection, this case has an incredibly slim overall design. What makes this possible is the fact that it is engineered with a dual-layer construction of Chi-Tech shock-dispersing material and have bumpers around the corners for maximum shock resistance. Just like the Impact case, the buttons on the Ultra Impact case are tactile and fully covered. There are raised bezels for the ultimate top-to-bottom screen protection, making screen protectors more of an option rather than a must. Although the lightning port area is conveniently exposed at the bottom, they are far from the surface thanks to the thick TPU that surrounds the cutouts. The lips are also nicely raised around the camera area at the back to protect the lenses. As an effort to work towards an all-rounded protection, the cases are now coated with the new Casetify antimicrobial coating, which eliminates 99% of bacteria. Considering the pandemic situation we're in right now, and that our phones are one of the things we hold on to almost all the time, this is a remarkable feature to have for our cases. Having said that, we should not be complacent and should still play our part to stay hygienic and wash our hands from time to time. In terms of MagSafe, the cases that we have today are not built in with MagSafe magnets, but are compatible with MagSafe charging. However, if you're interested, there is also the new MagSafe compatible series, which has a strong built-in magnet that securely snaps to all MagSafe chargers and accessories. So that's it guys, we've come to the end of the review today. If you're keen on getting one for yourself, go to www.casetify.com/thecasetheory today to get 15% off your new phone case. You'll also be entitled to free worldwide shipping on top of the discount. We'll include the links down below in the description box. Meanwhile, subscribe to us for the latest updates on our video. Till then, see you in the next one.